Welcome back again. So I'm glad to have you back. So yesterday we discussed about our rotate. We stopped at our rotate. So we are discussing about our test icon, and you have started with our edit, delete, copy to front to back position, relative position size. Then we stop at rotate. Then today you want to start with our mask. If you want to mask out some part of your text, then you can use the mask icon to mask out some parts of the text. So let me cancel it and let me come here to show the one that we clear. Then if you click on your mask, you can see that some part has marked out. Then if you want to mark it out, you can see that some part has marked out. If you mark it in, you can see that some part has marked out. Then you can rotate it, you can revolve it, you can change the style to anywhere you like. Let's assume you want to mark out this advance, you can mark it out. You can mark it out only. You want to mark out the advance only, you can mark only the advance. Can you see? Let me cut it. Then I can move this or down here. Can you see? I want to mark out the advance only. Can you see that? And bring it down and cut it out. Then I can now move this. I can now move it up here. Can you see? You can just mark out anything you like. So we won't be using this. If you want to mark only the you want to let the advance show, then you click your out. You want your other part to show, you click your in. Can you see? You can add, you can use bezier or something like that. We'll be discussing that in a full course. You must be talking that. So let's go. Let me cancel it. And let me go to our font. The next is our font. If you click your font, you can use it to change your font. We have our font that our initial font that comes with Pixellab. Then we have my font, the one I install to my Pixellab. So let me just teach us on how to do that. Let's assume I want to install some font into my style. I can just go to Google to download some font. Let me go to my Play Store. Where is it? My Chrome. You can go there. Then let me just click on. Let me search some font. Sans serif font. Sans serif font download. Can you see? These are some sans serif font. These are some sans serif font. Then we have Akira, we have Nessa, we have GoBoard, we have Mont, we have Bit. So let me just go to another one. I'm going to check another sans serif font. So these are some sans serif font. You have Easter, you have Gothic. Let's assume I want to download this goofy text. Let me copy it. Copy link text. Goofy. Let me now add a goofy font download. Goofy font download. Then you click your go. You can now use this damn font app to download it. If you click on it, it comes with this goofy font. Then you go to download it. Then you download your font. Then you can come here to download it. What is this? I'll go back to my let me download this. Can you see? Open. Then before you start to download font, you must have downloaded your what set archive. Just go to Google Play Store to download your set archive or your RAR. You can use this to extract your font. Let's assume I want to extract this one. I'll just RAR. Access. Allow. So this is our groove. Where is it? This is our font. Then extract to. Then let's assume I want to be downloaded it to Android. Let me look for where I can download it to. So let me check my audio book. I want to be downloaded it, and then I will extract it here. I will extract it here. Couldn't unpack. So let me go back. Let me go and use my set archive. Then go back to my download. File manager. My download. Then this is my goofy. Then let me extract. Where is this? Then this, can you find my font? This is my font now. Then if you want to install it to our Pixellab, you will now go back to our Pixellab. Then you click your font. Then after I click my font, you go to my font. Can you see? If you wanted to extract only one font, then you use this only one font. Then if you want to extract multiple fonts, you click on this folder. Then I wanted to extract multiple fonts. I will now click on this folder. Then I will now go to my download. I will now see Goofy font. Can you see the font? Then I will now add directory. Then the font has added to my text. If you don't get it, let me pick another one. Let me go and use another font. Let me check another font. So let's assume I want to use old school cartoon, or let me use this serif font. You just write serif font download. Serif. Oh, let me just font for wedding invitation. Let me just search wedding invitation. You have 25 best font for wedding invitation. So I wanted to download one out of it. The thing is still loading. You have serif font. Serif fonts are versatile and work for every. Let me just look. I'm looking for its name. You have Sainrati font. Then let me just go Sainrati font download. Sainrati font. Let me font download. Sainrati, Sainrati font download. So I'll now click it. I'll now go to the down font free. Then I'll click on download here. Then I'll now come here, I'll click on download also, then open. I can now open it. I will extract. Then I have extract it, finish. Then let me now go back to my font and go and check it. File manager, I'm coming. Let's check. You first check the font, check the font if it's downloaded or not. If it's downloaded, let me go and check it. Signality. Then this is the font. It has not extracted. Then I can just extract it. Extract here. Yes, you can extract it here. Then you now go back to your Pixellab. You now click on this file. Then you now go to download. Then you have your signality. Then you can add it to our Pixellab also. Can you see that? That's that about my font. Then recent font, it means that the font that you have used, then it will display the font. And let me just copy this. Let me copy this font and let me apply my signality to it. If I go back to my font, this is the one I just added to my, then I can now click my signality, then I'll click my OK. That's that about adding text. Then if you want to use your normal text, let me still copy another one. If you want to use your normal text, you can go to your font. Then if you click on font, you will see your inbuilt font that you can use. You have our icon here. If you wanted to use icon, if you wanted to use shoe and something like that, you can use any icon from here. Can you see that? So that's that about our font. So next we will continue in our next class.